Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be making green plantain and oats porridge, so stick around and watch to the end. So for this recipe you need 2 green plantains, right? Afterwards you're going to peel the plantains to remove it from the skin. So I don't know if you peel plantain already. If you don't know how to, please check out my pressed green plantain video. We'll show you detail how to peel plantain as well as to press green plantain. So what we're doing here is peeling the plantain and removing the skin from it so that we can cut or chop the plantain in smaller pieces. So you just want to repeat this process. After peeling the plantain, we're going to slice the plantain in half first, and then we're going to cut it into smaller pieces so it is easier to peel this way. So why we cut the plantain into smaller pieces is because it is easier to blend. So after cutting the 2 plantains, this is how they're looking. So we have 1 bowl there of green plantains, and we have 1 cup of oats. You can use your old-fashioned oats, your Quaker oats. Any oats you want to use, you can go ahead and use. But for today's video, we are using Fosca oats, right? So we added 2 cups of coconut milk and we're going to give it a blend. So we're just going to continue to blend the plantain on the oats until it is smooth. So we have orange peel here that have been boiling for about a minute. Then afterwards we're going to remove it. Look at that, guys. So that is the blended green plantain and the oats. So what we're going to do now is pour it into the pot. So as you pour, you're going to mix. So pour and mix until we get all of the mixture into the pot. Guys, we're not finished yet. We're not through, right? We're just getting started. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So we're just going to continue to give it a stir. Guys, you know sometimes you make some green plantain porridge and you use the green plantain alone. That not gonna work. You need to add some oats in that. This fully up. So you see when you all drop the oats in there and blend up to the green plantain, yes, this will hold it for the day. But you see when you use the green plantain alone, that don't have no substance in there. So with this green plantain now and the oats, yeah man, this will hold it for the day. All if you depend some construction work, yeah, these are the thing. So you just want to continue to stir it, right? So we're just going to allow the porridge to boil for about 20 to 25 minutes because you want to ensure that it is cooked, because remember we're using green plantain, right? So we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. So we're just adding the spices to the porridge. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt to taste. We're going to stir to blend all that we just added. Okay guys, so you see how the plantain porridge is looking very thick. Yes, has a lot of substance in it. If you haven't yet checked out our carrot and peanut porridge recipe, I'll put a link here in the top right corner, so you can just check it out if you haven't yet done so. Okay, so after we put in that, we're just going to allow the porridge to boil. And before putting in the remaining spice, you want to add these spices about 5 minutes before the porridge is completed, before it finishes cooking, because you want to seal in that flavor into the porridge. Next, we're going to add our sugar. So you're going to add the sugar to taste based on your preference. So if you like it sweet, if you like it fresh or medium, you can go ahead and add the sugar of your liking. So after adding the sugar, you just want to stir. So each ingredient you add, you want to ensure that you stir to get it fully blended, to get all that flavor blended. So you want to give it a stir, right? We're also going to add some milk. So we had half cup of milk. Depending on the size of the family that you're feeding, you can always adjust these ingredients based on your preference, right? So you're just going to give it a stir. You can use cow's milk, almond milk, whatever milk you want to use of your choice. Soy milk, right? And when you add the milk, you see how the color changes. Yes, you get a whiter color. Look at it, guys. Very nice and delicious. So we're just continuing to stir the porridge. Okay, so here we use vanilla lasco, so there was no need to add vanilla to the porridge again. But if you're using another type of milk, you can go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of vanilla, right? Alright guys, so we're getting there. What we're going to be doing now is we're going to taste it. So we're going to taste to ensure that we have enough sugar. It will sweet, it not too fresh, it not too sweet, it is just perfect, right? So we're just going to leave it there to let it boil up for about a minute, and then we're ready to serve. So here we have our bowl well prepared and ready for the green plantain and oats porridge. Look at it, guys. It is so thick and creamy, mouth-watering. Guys, I do hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friend, comment down below and let us know how you are feeling about this video, if you like it, if you want to see more of this video, or what you would like us to prepare for you in our next video. Thank you guys for all the support. Thanks for all who are tuning in every Wednesday and Saturday to check out what we have coming. We just want to thank you and tell you that we appreciate it. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.